When you're hearing this video, you're hearing my big brother giving advice on how to fix our plumbing. Our kitchen sink just keeps giving us problems. So he's gently telling me how to do this, and this is part one. I don't think I saved part two, but here we go.
You get some plumber's putty.
You guys, what is so interesting about this project is there is no reason that we should have to do this, because we have a legitimate maintenance man that rides around on his cute little golf cart, and he comes over and he half fixes things, and then you have to keep calling him and keep calling. So my gentle, kind, sweet husband finally just got frustrated and said, I don't want him out here anymore. I'll fix it myself. And mind you, around this time, it was not long after he got out of the hospital. It just was like had gone on too long. So here we go. Let me tell y'all something right now before y'all say something about how I'm talking to my husband. I turned this camera on, and I'm not a different person. This is me, who I am.
have to get in here and turn this thing.
I'm sorry. You know, I guess if
my brother
if you don't like it, I guess don't watch. I want y'all guys to watch, but
it's not easy
don't think
getting
that I'm
down
going to
here
be
when you
changing
have
who I am. Now, I don't know how to do that too well.
going on.
I can try to be fake, but it ain't getting me no more views, so I might as well just keep on being me. Now, y'all leave me alone. I told you now. Don't start it.
A little more light in here. What is this?
Now, what in the world is this thing? I ain't never seen no kind of tool like this in my entire life, okay?
So I was
And I do remember my dad having tools. This right here was unique.
And they don't fix
So
it right.
I'm having a discussion, and we're getting ready to
We're gonna
get
try to
down
do it
and get
ourselves.
dirty
It's
here.
in a contract where we're not supposed to do this. So let's see. Got my coffee and my green drink. It doesn't look like that you're supposed to be able to use your human hand to turn that. You need a tool.
You can use your human hand to turn it.
Don't break, don't do that. Because you're bending these up, then that thing ain't gonna fit in there. The stopper.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to get up on here because I didn't want to do.
I didn't either. That's why we need to call a plumber. Here's a pillow. You need to get on this pillow. What? What's funny?
No, it's not. It's leaking because they don't have no seals on it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There we go.
Maybe someone can help me remember who started the righty-tighty, lefty-loosey thing, because it's very helpful for people who are not mechanically inclined. Is that what you call people who are good with their hands, with fixing cars and plumbing? You know, that is a gift. It's a gift from God if you have that, and it's easy for you. So be grateful.
I got it.
So
Come on, support.
now what do we do? Put the putty on there?
Nope. You
Let me
gotta
see
take
if
this
I
out.
can get it. Let me get it. Move your hand. It don't lift out. That still won't lift
It's got
out.
a seal on it. Of course.
Of course.
Yeah,
It's not lifting out. It's turning. I can get it to turn a little bit.
hold on. Get up.
A little
Quit
more.
telling me to hold this camera still. I'm
If you
trying to
keep doing it, I
record
can get it.
and do the
Keep turning.
project and talk to him and talk to y'all. What do y'all think I am? I'm not that multi-talented now. Hold on here, all right?
In it.
They didn't mention
It's not gonna
anything.
come out that way.
They didn't mention anything about it being screwed. So what is this screwed to?
It's
So you're going to do this with your human hand and no tool. And this is getting all wet down here. Is there a spoon in there?
Spoon? No, this is the screwdriver.
Oh, I was going to say, how did a spoon get stuck in there? It wasn't quite as easy as they led us to believe. Lawrence. All right. Let me see you. Put your hand in there. Let me see. DIY plumbing.
We ain't worried about this one no more.
Oh, that's the old one. So I got these seals cleaned. This is nasty.
See if this one's gonna work.
But this is the same pipe. I forgot what is this, the elbow? You never turn on the dishwasher because of problems like this. I think something we need to change this one too. I think because it's leaking. All right.
That one was not leaking.
Yeah. What's the water on here then? If it's not
That's
leaking.
coming from, it's running, because it was running down this way.
I see it right here. I can see it coming from here. Look at the color.
Yeah, but it's not wet. I told you it's running down the pipe from this way. Look up under there. And you see it's been running this way. Right now, this is from when it used to leak. You see what I'm
So
saying?
he did fix that one.
On that side, he did.
I did not like this project. I just wanted to get it over.
Sanitizer.
I told him before we started, out of all the projects in the
You got the
world,
putty?
plumbing is not anything that I aspire to know how to do or want to do. And now the wood is all ruined under the sink. It's like, ugh. Shoosh. Must be up against this.
Don't see any butter knives in here. Have to use our hand.
Yeah, I'm gonna use my hand.
I'm wondering where he got that cut on his arm at. While I'm looking at this. I suppose from lying on the floor.
Yeah. This is all the test run first.
Don't turn that water on.
No, I ain't gonna turn the water on, girl. Child.
What? Allen and Roth, whoever this company is, they're rich. Do we keep this old one or do we get rid of it? Might as well get rid of it.
Get rid of it.
You don't like throwing nothing away, do you?
Okay. So. All right. Then we will put this on. Oh Lord.
What now? You need to get bruh over here and let him do this. Does he want to be kicking people and punching people? Some of that strength on something else. Bruh. Not you, big bruh, little bruh, our grandbaby.
And you experts out there, tell me, am I right? I think this is where our first mistake started. I don't know, maybe second, third, I don't know. But this right here definitely looks like a womp, womp, womp. Stop!
Oh, I have to turn the air on, it's hot.
So y'all really just gonna sit up there and watch us do this all wrong, and nobody gonna come over here and volunteer to help old folk out? Really? Y'all wrong for that. Yeah, y'all really wrong.
Let's try for a little bit. Yeah, that's probably it's not necessary to have it on there.
Yeah, okay. I'm about to hurt. Wait, you want to
You know what? We can't do that. Put in this. We ain't gonna seal off. Yeah, but okay.
don't do it. I can see it.
Let me try.
I'm assuming I can this one.
Yeah, this is it.
No, there's no ring on
No,
it.
it's-
I don't have to pause it. I've seen it before.
can't see.
Wait.
I don't know.
Tape it around here.
I
Right?
already know. I need to
Or
keep
here.
the camera still.
How you get it?
No,
Right here?
no, keep the camera still.
So how you gonna get it?
And
Okay.
help him fix the sinks. I can't do both. I can't hold still, record, bend down, help with the plumbing. What do you think I am? You guys just chill out, okay? We getting there. Hold on, okay?
You said around the big one, right?
No, small.
How is this tape and there's no sticky to it?
It'll stick. If you get it on there. Yeah. It's kind of like where I need it at the top right there. It's okay if it hangs down.
I don't want it to hang down. Oh, Shiza.
Couple more times. There you go. That's good.
I'm trying to get this little piece out of the way.
That's good. Yeah, don't take it off.
I was trying to look
Yeah,
now.
there you go. Okay.
Okay. What am I doing now? Stuck down here. What can I do while I'm down here?
What happened to the little seal?
I don't know. Look up there.
It's not up here.
This
No, not that. The black
plastic.
seal, the black plastic seal.
It should be
Here's
up
right
there.
here. Okay.
Let me move a little bit.
Now, yeah, you definitely have to move.
Here, I want you to get on this pillow. Get on the pillow when you get down.
And just in case all of you experts or professionals are going to talk smack about how we're screwing up and laughing at us, come over here and fix it for me for free. Please, we take donations. Hurry up, okay? Thank y'all.
DIY, I said. Not plumbers here.
Okay.
What can I do? Get out of the way with this camera, right?
And another thing I wanted to share with you guys, like this whole plumbing thing, we decided to just get in and get it done. I'm trying to record at the same time, and I know I'm getting on his nerves, but my husband is so super sweet, you guys. Always has been. And he's very patient with me and my silly phone recording at the same time. I know he wanted to tell me to get out of the way.
Let go of it.
Was this another mistake down here? I don't think this was.
Camera down, I think. Hold on.
Just as far as I remember, the top part was the biggest mistake, but he did have to reassemble somewhere along. So I'm gonna go back.
It's hard to get. Do I need to hold it while you turn it?
Like y'all nerds, y'all just gonna sit there and let the man struggle and not say
Look at the top and see if
use the tool, stop using your hand. Y'all, I mean, really, y'all just gonna sit there like that? Y'all trifling, just trifling. All y'all.
I don't know. I don't know what you mean, I guess. I see a little black circle, but you.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, I see that.
Is it lined up good?
It looks fine to me. The little black seal.
See, it's not.
Just tightening it now. I see that seal. That's why I was saying we should be able to seal it here.
I see. We are not plumbers. I think this would have been easier with wrench. Is that what it's called? I don't know. Sometimes you do need to use your hands, but yeah.
Is it too raised up, you guys? It's gonna cause a
We'll
problem.
find out.
We can trim this down.
It was at this point that he realized that maybe you should listen to my big brother.
It's as flush as it can be with the the putty up there and the seal. So we're gonna find out from there. Now,
I think we did it, you guys. It's not leaking anymore. We did have the seal on wrong the first time, but it's okay now. No leaks.